Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel is Mobile. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'll tell you that how you can create an account on Threads app. Threads is a social media app that is just launched by Instagram. I'm opening it. You have to download it from Play Store or App Store. I hope you guys have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, then go and subscribe. To create an account on Threads, you should have Instagram account first. Now here comes an option of login with your Instagram. Here's also another option of switch accounts. You can also add another Instagram account here. You have to add username, email or phone number, and then you have to add password. So I'm just logging in with my own Instagram account that I already have created. Now it is loading. So here comes the process of profile creation. In profile creation, you have to add a username that is on right side. Then you have to add bio and your social media an option of privacy. Also, you have to create a you can also import it from your Instagram profile. So it is an option. In public profile, your posts can be seen by everyone, and in private profile, your friends and your followers can only see your posts. So I'm just selecting public profile and continuing by tapping on continue option. Now here comes an option of follow, so you can follow all which you follow on Instagram. Now here is screen which shows that how Threads works. So it is description, you can read it and then you can tap on join with Threads. So now it's loading. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much.